Just before we go into our deliberation, it's important to let us know that the Federal Capital Territory Administration never one day gave any instruction for schools to be shut down. I've been in contact with the Commissioner of Police and the Director of the State Security Services, and there has never been such a decision. No such decision can be taken without the advice of the security agencies and me communicating to the Commander-in-Chief. So those who came about that have already taken some steps. The Mandate Secretary of Education has been suspended. The directors who have been involved have directed the head of service to make sure disciplinary actions taken in accordance with civil service rules. I don't know why anybody would, for whatever, begin to take such decisions without myself and the security agencies. So we're investigating how they came about that. It's a serious issue. If you give that kind of signal to the public, and they will say that if Abuja is not safe, then it means that no part of Nigeria is safe, and which is not correct. Which is not correct. Yes, there are pockets of threats which our security agencies have lived to the expectation. They know better. They know when there are serious threats, and they know what advice to give to the head of government. So I just want to let the press know, the public know, that will not, those who masterminded this will not go free. That is to tarnish the image of the government. The President and Commander-in-Chief resides in Abuja. Virtually all the heads of security agencies are in Abuja. The diplomatic corps is in Abuja. And you go and issue out such instruction. You are merely trying to panic the public when there's no need. I am assured, and I do know, that our security agencies are doing everything they can so that to keep the peaceful nature of Abuja. So nobody should be worried. The public should not panic. Where the security agencies are equal to the tax, government will do all they can to give them the necessary support. So I felt it necessary to let you know that we are not part. We never took such a decision. The threat has not come to the point that we should shut down our schools. And I was asking the Mandate Secretary of Education, Kaduna have not shut down school, Nasarawa have not shut down school, Kogi have not shut down their school. So how can you say the Federal Capital Territory? So all those alarmists, they have to face the wrath of the law.